It's another video by Peninsula Floating Floors. It's not done yet, not finished. I'm going to put skirts on and trims and stuff, but I thought I'd take a video of it and smash it on YouTube. So, because I haven't done, well, I have done one Wolf Grey before, but it's only a small apartment, so this is about 100 metres of steps and whatnot. So, just smash it on, I'll replace it when I get all the skirts on and trims, etc. So, I've got a few sets of steps. I'm going to build that all out and straighten it off when I return. Just run out of time, got to go on the next job. These stairs removed and boxed off, and yeah, transition to carpet. All trims got to go in. Covers, of course. Gas, nice curved walls, have a couple of stairs, another 5 steps down. Just got to put some trims on here. Yeah, so you have it, Wolf Grey, 100 metres. And there's Gus. Oi! Okay, thanks for watching.